Hello everyone, it's me, I'm back again. Just a quick update video on my ST1100 engine. As you can see, it's all nice and clean and shiny. I'm ready to go back in the frame. It's the front end. It's the clutch. I do need to get a few more bolts. Go in the clutch house in there, I'm a couple of short. There's a few in there, so I need to get 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts for that. All of these are stainless steel bolts there, stainless in the back there. There's the engine. Just turn it round carefully without dropping it. We have new elbows on both sides. New gasket. You can see I've shined all this up. All nice and clean. All of these have been cleaned and polished. So all that we have left to do now is torque all the bolts up and get it back in the frame.